Just thought I'd make a little quick video here. Today is February 21st, 2019 at 6:27 p.m. Been kind of just looking at this trade all day, basically kind of stalking this trade. And as you can see, I'm looking at it on the 1 hour chart and the daily chart. I mainly try and trade on the daily time frame, but I often look at the other charts just to see what they're doing. As you can see, my setup, I've actually added a few more indicators to it. Not many, but just a few more to give me confirmation based on me getting in this trade. I'm actually in it a little early than what I would have normally gotten into it, but the setup was just so good I couldn't pass it up. I'm mainly trading it on the daily, but I'm looking at it on the hourly chart, as you can see. So I got in it on the daily chart, but I was looking at my confirmations on mainly on the hour. As you can see, I got 3 positions open here. One is a 7-cent lot, one is a 4-cent lot, and one is a 3-cent lot, or 3 lot. A 3, a 7, and a 4 lot. So 3 positions open. I'm up 50.7 pips. Just gonna hold this one for a while and see what it do. I'm trying to hopefully get out at about the 1.55 range, 1.555 range. Hopefully it'll go there. If not, at some point I'm going to put a trailing stop on it and just see what it do. But that's the way my charts look. Again, today is February 21st, 2019 at 6:29 p.m. and I'm just going to see what happens. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm also on Telegram. My Telegram channel is EOLPT, Earn Online Part-Time, t.me/EOLPT. If you want to join my channel, I'm giving out free signals right now. Don't know how long I'm going to keep the channel open to free signals. At some point, I may start charging, I may not. But for right now, everything's free. If you guys have any question, just holler at me on the Telegram channel, or I also have a Gmail account. You can also hit me on my Gmail account. My address on my Gmail account is fxsetupedu@gmail.com. Again, fxsetupedu@gmail.com. I'll put all of this stuff below. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Take care.